नहीं
दही वड़े
दहरा आलू दम।
लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स ट्राई करेंगे। ये आपको मुझे सीजन के एंड में बताना चाहिए लेके आना चाहिए।
Last season was an amazing season. The players did an amazing job. We were very close to achieve something important. We lost one final in the last moment. We lost the option to reach semi-finals in the last moment also. A small details is possible to change everything. No, I am very happy with the team we are building. We need to sign more players, especially we have a very good foreign players, but we need to sign some of the players, Indian players in some of the positions to get them next step. And hopefully we can sign these players and to show everyone we are ready, no? Because I am very happy with the team we are building. The players show last season we are ready for a big challenge, and we are excited to get something important for the club this season.
Sir, our reserves made a beautiful start in the Durand Cup, 5-0 victory. How do you see the reserves going on to the season?
Yes, it's an amazing, no, to see the young players playing like the last game. Is soon. We need to give them time and opportunities, no. I think the mix about the experimental players and young players is the key, because the future in football is the young players. It's possible to grow at the same time the team is winning, and try to find this balance is it's very important for me as a coach, for the club, and I think we have young talents and we need to work with them to grow at the same time we are winning.
So, coach, one more bit tricky question, but we were really good at our home last season, but we didn't have that much of a successful away campaign. So, how are we going to look into that?
Sorry, yeah, can you repeat?
Away matches were really
Yeah.
not up to the par, but home where we were really strong.
Yes, the last season was unbelievable. No, don't lose any game at home. It's amazing. No, it's difficult to achieve this. No, long season against a very strong opponent, and to achieve this was amazing. No, last season playing 3 competitions at the same time was a crazy calendar. I think this season we are going to manage better the games, the training sessions, because last season during some periods was a crazy calendar schedule for us, no? And we are trying our best to be ready for all the challenges, and we need to improve in some things, but also we need to keep a lot of things we did well the last season.
Also, congratulations on Spain.
A lot of players have been playing with them either in Goa, Mumbai, or Mount Bagan. So really nice to meet everyone again. Great relation with all these people. That's why I came here in this ambitious club, and looking forward to get back on the pitch on the competition.
So Hugo, basically we have been a great fan of yours since you joined Goa, and we really wanted you to join Red since a long time back. So finally you're here. So can we expect the titles to come in?
That's why I'm here. I'm here to win games, to enjoy football, to share a beautiful style of football with the coach and with the partners. And of course, the aim is the trophies, but these come after a lot of work, and then that's the consequences, the trophy. You know, it's too early to talk about trophy.
That's it. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, guys.
And Salvage's amazing points. How do you deal with the pressure in those cases when the defense falls short?
It's most important to focus in ourselves, and of course we're playing against opponent, and my focus is always stay with me, what I have to do, how I have to guide my team, and it's always very short and clear. I try always to give them short and clear message, and it's all about like focus in ourselves and focus about myself, what I have to do. Is then you don't feel pressure or something.
Nice. So Paji, there are many legendary keepers like Edwin van der Sar, Iker Casillas, those who captained the club and country and led from the front. And you are also going in the same process. So how do you feel with the pressure of captaincy in that club?
It's not about captain. I think we have, of course, I lead before also many teams, and now I think with this team we have so many captains, senior players like Jahu, Roy, Diego. Now we have Carlos and Hugo and many Indian players also, they are very mature and they know what they have to do. It's more, they are professional also, very professional. It's more easy for me when you have more senior players, and it's more easy for me when everyone understand the role what coach want, and it's mostly they understand what they have to do, and it's easy for me. I no need to do many things with them, and mostly I always try to do to make a team, make a family. We stay in the dressing room happy and healthy, and my job is this only, to we stay together happy and there is nothing inside, and we try to solve everything and always we stay happy.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन पाजी, लास्ट सीजन कैसा रहा सपोर्ट?
बहुत अच्छा था भाई, हम लोग यही एक्सेप्ट करते हैं कि आप ये साल भी आके हमें ऐसे ही सपोर्ट करो, और लास्ट सीज़न आप बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में आ रहे थे और हम भी बहुत ज़्यादा कंपटीशन खेल रहे थे। एफसी कप था, सुपर कप था और आईएसएल था, तो बहुत प्रेशर था, लेकिन अभी भी हम यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप लोग सेम मात्रा में आओ और हमें सपोर्ट कीजिए।
थैंक यू
पाजी,
पाजी।
एक और क्वेश्चन है मेरे